This dashboard provides a clear overview. This dashboard provides a clear overview. Use this when introducing a dashboard during a presentation. Let's examine this chart closely. Let's examine this chart closely. Use this when directing attention to a specific chart. The trend is easy to identify. The trend is easy to identify. Use this when explaining a clear pattern in the data. This graph compares monthly sales. This graph compares monthly sales. Use this when presenting a comparison chart. The dashboard updates in real time. The dashboard updates in real time. Use this when explaining live or refreshed reports. This visual highlights our top products. This visual highlights our top products. Use this when discussing the best performing products. The data is displayed by region. The data is displayed by region. Use this when explaining regional performance. Let's filter the report by year. Let's filter the report by year. Use this when demonstrating dashboard filters. This chart shows year-over-year growth. This chart shows year-over-year growth. Use this when comparing annual performance. The KPI card displays the total revenue. The KPI card displays the total revenue. Use this when explaining a KPI card on a dashboard. Let's focus on this important metric. Let's focus on this important metric. Use this when highlighting a key business metric. This visual makes the data easier to understand. This visual makes the data easier to understand. Use this when explaining the value of charts and graphs. We can see a clear improvement here. We can see a clear improvement here. Use this when presenting positive business results. The dashboard helps us make better decisions. The dashboard helps us make better decisions. Use this when discussing the purpose of a dashboard. Let's drill through to the detailed report. Let's drill through to the detailed report. Use this when showing a drill-through feature in Power BI. The report is fully interactive. The report is fully interactive. Use this when demonstrating dashboard functionality. This slicer filters the entire report. This slicer filters the entire report. Use this when explaining slicers in Power BI or Excel. The insights are clearly presented. The insights are clearly presented. Use this when summarizing the dashboard findings. This report answers our business questions. This report answers our business questions. Use this when explaining the value of the report. The dashboard is ready for presentation. The dashboard is ready for presentation. Use this before presenting your completed dashboard. I'll explain the next visualization. I'll explain the next visualization. Use this when moving to another chart or graph. Please pay attention to this trend. Please pay attention to this trend. Use this when highlighting an important pattern. These visuals support our business decisions. These visuals support our business decisions. Use this when explaining how dashboards help decision-making. Thank you for reviewing the dashboard. Thank you for reviewing the dashboard. Use this after presenting your report. I hope this presentation was helpful. I hope this presentation was helpful. Use this as a professional closing after a dashboard presentation.